did you ever want to transform a numerical data into categorical data? If the answer is yes, then I'm going to show you how you can do that in STATA. So for this purpose, I'm going to use this data set that I've already imported in my STATA, and I'm going to use age as my variable of interest. So just to see how the age is, let's browse and see. So on browsing, you can see that age is given in this data set as numerical data, but you would want to present this age in terms of categories that say age group. So how do you do that? In STATA, I'm going to show you how you can achieve that in 4 steps. And number one, before you start categorizing it, you must be aware of your minimum or the maximum value. For example, my minimum age here is 14 and the maximum age is 48. I've already run the summary statistics. So I'm going to transform this data into categories, and my categories will be the age group of 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and those ones that are greater than 39 years or old. So the steps that will be involved is we need to generate a new variable. After generate a new variable, then we assign values to each individual age or age group. And then after assigning value, we label define the values, and then we label the values, and we can tabulate and see how our data has been transformed into categories. So this is a list of my variables. I don't have anything like age category, so I'm going to generate a new variable and call it age cut. I'm going to generate the missing values under the category age category. So that tells me I've generated 138 missing values, and 138 was the total number of respondents in this particular data set. So we can browse and see, or you can see here under variables, we have seen our new variable age cut has been created. So we can browse and see. So we have our new variable here, age cut, with missing values. So now we have to replace these missing values with our data values, which is representing a particular age group. Let's go. So how do we do this replacement? We need a mathematical expression to replace the age category based on the age. So I'm going to do that. So I've already given values to my age category variable. So let's browse and see. Sorry. So you can see we have codes already here, values to 3, which is representing a particular age group. So if we tabulate age cut, yes, you can see we have a category being labeled coded 1, 2, 3, and 4, but ideally we don't know what 1, 2, 3, and 4 means if you have to give this data to anybody else. That's why we need to label define and label these values, and we tabulate and see. So when you're label defining your definition of the values, you can use anything. For me, I'm going to use my variable name, age cat. You can use anything. You can use your name, you can use ABC, you can use CDF, anything. So we have label defined, so we are now going to label value. So what you are telling STATA to do is label the values in the variable age cat based on the definition that you had given it here in the label definitions that you had given earlier here, where in age category, variable age category, any individual which is having 1, you label that value 10 to 19. Those ones with 2, label it 20 to 29, 3, 30 to 39, 4, 139. Yes, we can now tabulate and see it's done. There you go. Sorry, this one was different. The age cat was not the exact spelling, so it was egg cat. I interchanged this, it was egg. So you have to make sure this one here is exactly as the definition name you have given here. Mine had misspelled it. It is AEG, not AGE as I had put here. So let's do this now. This should be in position to give us the correct one. There. So we can see we have 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and then 39 years, and it's the same as this one where everybody who had one, they were 41, 60, 27, 10. Can browse and see. Here, so here we have our label values. Maybe to just confirm the accuracy, we can move variable age cat and age closer, then we browse. So this one, 26, is in the age group of 20 to 29, correct? And then we have 20 to 23, the age of 22 falls within that. 30 to 39, still 39 falls there. 30 to 39, this one falls there. 10 to 19, 16 falls there. Then 44 falls in the age group of greater than 39. Correct, we're done. Cheers. That's how you can convert numerical data into categorical data. Thank you. See you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave any comments in the comment section below.